In this video, we're going to be going over if the TikTok Creators Fund actually hurts your view count. I'm going to be going over when I joined it and got accepted in, and comparing those videos to the videos before that. Then I'm also going to throw in the algorithm change and how that affected my videos too. Let's go. Now, I joined the TikTok Creators Fund on 8/18/2020. Now, I'm going to go back, and I already found the video that was right before 8/18. Here's 8/18, here's 8/18, 8/17, right? Okay, so this video was posted before the Creator Fund. So I had 1190, and we're going to keep going back like this way, right? So, yeah, actually, no, we start here. 1522, 1435, 24, 37, these are all hundreds. 4700, 1233, 552, 2944, 3961, 77,000. And these are all before the Creator Fund. Now, this is the video after the Creators Fund, right? This one is. Now, we're going to look at all these views. 17, 9, I already see a trend. 11, 10, 16, 600, 900, 900, 1,000, 800, 700, 1,000. As you can see already lower views. Now this one hit, it's a repost. Yeah, that one hit, that's a repost, that one hit. That's not a repost, that's new, 491, 1,400, 419, 1,008. Then I get somewhere it kind of hits. But overall, except for a couple, yeah, I would say the TikTok Creators Fund lowers your views kind of drastically. Now I'm going to go back even way before the Creators Fund, and you could see like 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, like 12,000. You can see a big difference in viewership, which is kind of weird. Like, why am I getting lower viewership when I'm technically classified as a higher class account on the app now? But in theory now, let's get out of this. Let me X that out so I can put in the video, because it's not on the screen right now as I'm taking this recording. So from just looking at that and still making content like I was before, like once a week here and there, I would get 10,000, 6,000 views easily. Now, there were some videos that didn't even break 1,000, let alone like a couple hundred after I joined the TikTok Creators Fund. So, after looking at that and just comparing the numbers, yeah, you do lose viewership from the TikTok Creators Fund. I don't know what it is. It makes no sense, but just comparing the numbers, the numbers are there. They don't lie. But with that being said, I hope this video helps you. Have a good day, and peace.